In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Google. Then hit All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Now you need to choose Google Password Manager. Select Password section at the bottom left corner and add a password by tapping on Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options though, don't worry, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled and log in into any app. Wait for the pop-up to show up. Now select Save in the pop-up and go back to the same settings. Give it a few seconds. Tap on Google Password Manager. And then I promise you will see Add Password option and your first added password. Now, after tapping Add Password, you can finally input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website, or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!